Kershaw Lucha has quickly become one of the most popular and successful butterfly knives ever. Introduced early in 2020, the Lucha entered the Balisong market with the intent of offering a durable, affordable alternative to more expensive options. The Kershaw Lucha features stainless steel handles, a precision ground Sandvik 14C28N blade, and KVT ball bearing pivots for silky smooth flipping. With an overall length of 10.25 inches, the Kershaw Lucha is a little bit bigger than your typical Balisong, but its handle to blade ratio lends it to being well balanced while flipping. Its 4.6 inch clip point blade is thick behind the edge, meaning it is less likely to chip when dropped. If you're new to flipping or looking for a live blade Balisong to practice with that won't break the bank, the Kershaw Lucha is a perfect option. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Kershaw Lucha, and click the link in the description to learn more about this awesome Balisong. For more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all the sweet new knife releases. Follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for our email newsletter below.